I welcome all of you guys in lesson number 34 for grade 2 mathematics. What we are studying nowadays, we are studying about in measurement the capacity in liters and half liters. A quick revision, then we will start from there and I will ask you some questions related to capacity. Guys, we discussed about that capacity that to mass we to check how much heavy a particular object is, we check the mass. Same here for liquid, we use volume. Okay, and if you want to check any container can hold how much liquid, so that's mean we want to check the capacity of that. Okay, so capacity is the total amount of liquid that a particular container or pot can hold, right? So the example started with this the container, that what is the container capacity, how much water it can hold. So according to him it is 4 jugs and according to her it is 7 jugs. They both are correct, but they are using a different sizes of jug. We should use a standard jug, which is we say a liter jug. You know about the liter jug as well, and you know about how to read and how to check whether how much water is there in the liter jug. When water comes to comes up to here, so you will say it is 1 liter. When it comes up to here, you will say it is half liter. And when it comes uh, less than that, like here, so you will say it is less than half liter. Okay, you measure this carton also, you know it that this carton is exactly having 1 liter. This glass is having less than 1 liter milk, whereas this jug is having more than 1 liter. You know about the half liter as well. When you put a liquid into a liter jug and when it reaches up to half, that's mean it is half liter. So this was half liter, and half liter plus half liter is equals to 1. That's mean if you put a half liter container, if you put water into half liter vase and you put it 2 times into the liter jug, that will exactly be equal to 1 liter, because you know two halves will always make one. One more thing you have learnt about the liter. This is you should remember, because after revising this I'm going to ask from you. You know about the liter to milliliter conversion. I told you that for less than 1 liter we normally use milliliter. Also milliliter we represent as ml. So in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter, in half liter there are 500 milliliter, and in quarter liter there are 250 milliliter. Half liter we represent as 1 over 2, and quarter liter we represent as 1 over 4 as well. Okay, this is you should know, because I'm going to ask you a question from this. We completed a practice zone also yesterday, guys, which is was on page number 143 uh, in the last classes. Compare containers to the 1 liter measuring jug to the left, which container have capacities of less than 1 liter. So you take these two because they have less than 1 liter capacity. Here you also complete it for less than and uh, more than. On page number 145 in the last class, there was three pots, pot A, pot B, and pot C. What you had to do, you have to check this water is completely filled by these liter jugs, and you have to check which have more capacity and which have less capacity. So port A capacity is 1 2 3 liters, port B capacity is only 1 liter, whereas the port C capacity is 1 2 3 4 5 liter. I also tell you, if you need to find out how much port A can hold, fear means less liters than port C. So you will check what is the capacity of port A. Port A capacity is 3 liter. And what is the capacity of port C? Port C capacity is 5 liter. So what you will do for that, you will just find out the difference, 5 minus 3, and that is equals to 2. That's mean pot A can hold 2 fewer liters than pot C. If in pot A there is a capacity of 2 more liters, that's mean we can fill 5 liters in pot A as well, and then pot A and pot C capacity will be same. Same here, guys. If I ask you about pot B and pot A, so how much, I can say how much pot B can hold fewer liters than pot C. So you will say, sir, pot B is having 1 liter, whereas pot A is having 3. So what you will do, you will find out the difference, 3 minus 1, and that is equals to 2 liters. So you will say, sir, pot B can hold 2 fewer liters than pot A. Okay. Same here, guys. If I ask you pot C and pot B can hold how much fewer liters than pot C? So you will minus 1 from 5 and you will say 4. That pot B can hold 4 fewer liters than pot B. Up to here, everything is clear, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Very good. Anything you did not understand? Yes,
Sir.
any?
No.
Yes, sir.
No,
Definitely.
no,
That's very good. Do you have any questions up to here, guys?
Yes, sir.
No.
no. Yes, sir.
If you have any question, you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your questions. Okay. Those students who are saying yes, if you have question, you can send the message in the chat box. I can open your mic and I can take your question. No one? Chat is open, guys. Okay. That's mean no questions, right?
Sir,
Yes,
yesterday was
Ada
sir.
tagunya.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That's very good. All right, guys. All right. Here you had to, in part E, you had to arrange the pots in order with the smallest capacity. So pot B with 1 liter, pot A with 3 liter, and pot C with the largest capacity, that is 5 liters. So you arrange it. What we are going to do today, guys, we have some practice sheet. We will work on the practice sheet and then we will come to the testing zone as well. So the first practice sheet, this is, in this practice sheet, guys, what you have to do, compare the containers on the right to the beaker on the left. Like a liter jug, there is a beaker, but the concept is same, guys. This is 1 liter, this is half liter, and this is quarter liter. Okay, what you have to do, you have to compare this container on the right to the beaker of the left and circle the container which you estimate to be able to hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Okay, you have to circle the container from this and this, that which container can have less than 1 liter liquid. Okay, what we have to do, guys, you have to check here. If I say this is A, this is B, and this is C, now you can easily tell me, okay, which should I circle? Okay, you have to tell me among A, B, and C, which container can hold less than 1 liter of liquid? Less than 1 liter of liquid. Yes, guys. Tell me your answers in the chat box, please. Which container? A, B, C. Which container can have less than, guys, less than 1 liter? Okay. Less than 1 liter. Okay. Less than 1 liter. A, B, or C? Tell me your answers, please. Mohammad Farooq, very good. Rafiq Samir, no. Mohammad Farooq, Ilyas, Sharif, very good. Hamido, very good. Ali, very good. Zaid, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. Ayan, very good. Arsh, no. Manthar, very good. Saud is asking the question. The question is, guys, which container can hold less than 1 liter of liquid? You have to tell whether A, B, and C. In which container you can put less than 1 liter water? can you put less? You have to identify which you estimate to be hold less than 1 liter. In which container you think that will contain less than 1 liter. Okay, like you have to identify the capacity which cannot hold more than 1 liter, which can hold only less than 1 liter. Okay, you have to identify that. Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai, very good. Abdul Rahman, very good. Saud, very good. Zaid, very good. That's very good, guys. Arsh, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student with me. And Umar Hassan. Umar Hassan. Can you hear me, Umar? Umar Hassan, can you hear me? Okay. Amal. Amal, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Amal. You have to tell me that which container you think can hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Which container have the capacity of less than 1 liter compared to this container?
A.
A, but A can hold more than as well. What do you say?
A can hold two.
I am asking which container you think can hold less than 1 liter of liquid.
B.
B. Okay. Only B.
B and C.
B and C. Okay. Let me take one more student. Anas Ali. Anas Ali. Can you hear me, Anas? Anas Ali. Can you hear me? Arsh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Arsh. Tell me which container A, B, C you think have the capacity to hold less than 1 liter water or less than 1 liter liquid. A, B, or C?
B.
B. That's very good. All right, guys. I have received your answers in the chat box as well. So the answer is C and also B. Okay. What is the question, guys? The question is you have to circle the container which you estimate to be able to hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Okay. In A, you can A container can hold more than 1 liter liquid as well. Okay. So there are B and C which have the capacity to hold less than 1 liter, and C is also having the C is also the container which is having the capacity to hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. All right. Now question number 2. You have to check here. This is basin A and this is basin B. You can see there is some liquid in basin A and liquid in basin B. How much liquid is basin A? That is given to you. This is half. Now you have to estimate. Do you know, guys, what does that estimate means? By looking at it, you have to find out, you have to predict that how much water it could be. So look, this is half and this is less than that, and it looks half of that basin A. Basin B looks half of the it is holding half of the liquid rather than basin A. So you estimate basin B to hold dash liter of water. Can you tell me, guys, how much liter of water? Ilyas, very good. Very good work by Ilyas. Correct answer. Yes, guys. Anyone else who can give me answer? How much water is there in basin B? How much liter? Can you estimate? Can you tell me by looking at the picture? Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ammar, very good. No, Saud. Ali, very good. Amjad Muhammad, no. Adam Khalid, very good. Hamedo, very good. No, Sharif. Omar Shahir, very good. No, Omar Shahir. Sorry. Saud, very good. Hamedo, very good. Guys, look, this is already half and it looks half of half. So you know what is the half of half? Half of half is quarter. You know, 2 quarter make 1/2. 1/4 plus 1/4 is equals to 1/2. You know, 2 quarters make 2 quarters make 1/2. So there are 2 quarters in basin A, that's mean half liter, and this is half of basin A, that's mean the answer is 1/4, or you can say a quarter liter. A quarter liter. Basin B is having quarter liter of water. Basin B is having quarter liter of water. It is 1/4. Quarter liter of water. Very good by the students as well. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's very good. Now I can. I know. I hope you can do better than it in question number 3. Look, bottle A is full and it is 1 liter. Bottle A is full. It is 1 liter. You have to find out how much liter water is in bottle B. Okay. So guys, either it can be 1, it can be half, or it can be quarter. Okay. So you have to find out. This is bottle A, it is full, and this is bottle B. Is it half, 1, or quarter? Answer me in the chat box, please. Okay, Amjad, wait. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ilyas, very good. Hamedo, very good. Sharif, no. Asar Usama, no. Ayan, very good. Ali, very good. Amjad Muhammad, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. First, I will take. Okay. Sharif.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharif. Can you estimate how much water is there in bottle B?
How much?
Water. How much liquid is there in bottle B?
Yes, we like this. Okay.
Look, bottle A is full. Bottle A is full, and here that is written
One
it is 1
liter.
liter. And look,
But it's I think it's 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 a half liter. I think it's that.
Sharif, you think it is half? Is it half?
Yeah.
How? Half means to divide equally into two parts. This is
Two
half.
part.
Yes, half means divided by 2.
Okay. So
Half means it
it's
should be exactly half.
quarter.
You
Quarter.
should be sure. You will obviously you will say one, half, quarter. There one of them is the answer.
Okay. So it's mean quarter. Only
Look,
one half
look,
glass.
look, and question number 4. This is half. It's written half.
Okay.
Look, this is full and half of it. Look here. But look this bottle B.
This is oh, this is 1 liter or not full.
Yes,
Quarter.
quarter. Okay, you say quarter. Let me take one more student. Amjad Muhammad. Oh my God, that's my message. Yes, Amjad Muhammad.
Yes, yes, there. Yes, there.
Amjad, bottle B. Can you tell me how much water is there in bottle B? Question number 3.
It's quarter liter.
Quarter liter. Are you sure?
Yes.
That's very good. Very good. This is the confidence I like. So, guys, the answer is quarter, and I received too many messages in the chat box while I was taking some of the students. Mike Hamido, Ahmad Yusuf, too many students. The answer is, guys, quarter. You can see half means, what does the means of half? That if it is like here, it should be half. Okay, but it is half of half. Half of half means quarter. Half of half means quarter. Look, this is half of half. So this is quarter. So the answer is 1 over 4, a quarter liter. This is quarter liter of water. Now we will come to the question number 4. Jug A and jug B. Look guys, this is jug A, this is half liter. And look at jug B, it is full. Can you tell me how much water is there in jug B? Very good, Ammar. Yes, guys. Ilyas, very good. Ammar, very good. Hamedo, very good. How much liter water is there in jug B? Sharif Ahmad, very good. Muhammad Faro, very good. Yes. Other students, please. Suleiman. No. Check your answer again. I'm going to take one student. Saud.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Saud. Can you estimate how much water is there in jug B?
Jagbi,
Yes.
1 liter.
Are you sure?
One.
Okay. Why 1 liter? How you can say? How you are sure about that this is 1 liter?
Sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Umar. 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 Okay. Asar Usama.
What, sir? What, sir? What? I am Omar Hassan. I am Omar Hassan.
Okay, Umar. Where are you? I keep opening your mic. You don't reply.
Because my computer is
Okay.
like that.
Tell me. the estimate. How much water is there in jug B?
What?
Question number 4. How much water is there in jug B? Can you estimate? Jug A, if jug A holds half liter, can you estimate how much water is there in jug B?
7.
Why 7? This is half liter. Look, half of the jug is half liter. So full jug is equals to how many liter?
Say again.
This jug should be equals to either 1, half or quarter.
Of a quarter.
Yes. Fast.
Quarter.
Quarter. Quarter means half of half. This is quarter. Okay. Quarter means half of half.
Yes.
Quarter means 250 milliliter. This is full. Half plus half. This is full. Half plus half is equals to what?
Half plus half.
Yes. 2 halves is equals to?
Zabdi.
You have to wait. I'll tell you. Wait. Asar Usama. Can you hear me?
Is 1 liter
1 liter. Very good. How do you know?
because
Hmm?
half of half is do 1 liter.
That's very good. That's very good, Asar. Thank you. So the answer is 1 liter. The answer is 1 liter. Why 1 liter? Because you can see that this is half of this jug is half liter and it is full. So you know it, half plus half is equals to 1 liter. So there are 2 halves in this jug B. Okay. And you also know that quarter plus quarter is equals to half. That's mean in 1 half there are 2 quarters. In 1 half there are 2 quarters. So this is the quarter, bottle B. And this was half. This is the half of that basin B. That's why this is quarter. Is it clear, guys? This worksheet?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay. Now I have one more worksheet for you. We will go there. And we'll not go to worksheet even. We'll go tomorrow. We'll go to the book. Page number 149. Guys, look at the pictures below, then fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Ladder C is dash meter tall. Look at the ladder C and it's written how much tall is that. Yes, guys, can you tell me how much tall ladder C is? Yes. What you are saying, guys? Look, the question is saying ladder C is dash meter taller than ladder A. Okay, this is called ladder. So you have to check ladder C, which is 5 meter, and ladder 2, which is 2 meter. In order to find out how much ladder C is taller, what you will do? You will do same, find out the difference. Ladder C is 5 meter and ladder A is 2 meter. Look, this is 2 meter. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to dash meter. Yes, guys, 5 minus 2 is equals to dash meter. How many meter?
3 meter. 3 meter.
Very good. So you will say ladder C is 3 meter taller than ladder A. How do you know? Because you know ladder C is 5 meter tall and ladder A is 2 meter tall. So 5 minus 2 is 2. Now, Ladder B is dash meter shorter than ladder D. So what is the height of ladder B? This is 3, and ladder D, this is 8. So guys, when you have to find out the difference, what you will do? You will find out, you will write the bigger one. Ladder D is bigger, is taller, 8 meter, and then you will minus ladder B, which is shorter. How much shorter? For that you minus 8 minus 3 is equals to dash meter. Yes guys, 8 minus 3 is equals to dash meter.
4.
8 minus 3 is equals to 5, not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 meter. So you will say ladder B is 5 meter shorter than ladder D. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now you have to check dash ladder is 9 meter shorter than the total length of ladder B and ladder D. So guys, what I will do first, I will find out the total length of ladder B and ladder D first. What is the length of ladder B here? Ladder B is 3 meter plus ladder D is 8 meter. So 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 meter. So I have find out the total length. Ladder dash is 9 meters shorter than total length of ladder B and D. I have find out total length of ladder B and D, that is 11 meter. I will see for finding out which ladder is 9 meters shorter than total length of ladder B and D. I will write the total length of ladder D and B, which is 11, and I will minus this 9. When I will minus this 9, 11 minus 9 is equals to 2. This is 2 meter. Now I will check which ladder has 2 meter height. So look guys, this is ladder A. This is having 2 meter height. This is ladder A. How I did it? I find out the total length first. Total length of B and D. B was 3 and D was 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Then I minus this 9 and check. The answer is 2. Check the height of which ladder is 2 meter tall. So that answer is ladder A. So here ladder A. Is it clear guys? That's very good guys. Our class time is finished. Inshallah we'll continue from here tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.